power. I got the power. I got unlimited power.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Town Cards. Today we are breaking open a box of 2020 Topps Chrome Update Series, the Sapphire Edition. Before we get into it, make sure to hit the subscribe button and you'll notify whenever we get some new product. As you can tell, this is the very hyped and deservedly so Topps Chrome Update Series Sapphire Edition. Originally, it was something that was available to 582 Montgomery Topps members, but it was also on Target and a bunch of other places with a limited supply. These things sold out really fast, and right now are going on eBay for about $230 each. Original price was about $150. As you could see here, it's basically the Topps update with the Sapphire flash to it. Some cool things here is the odds on the back, and what you'll see is that you'll get base cards can be green to 45, orange to 25, purple to 10, red to 5, superfractors, and then autographs, base green, orange, purple, red, and superfractor as well. This is the very first product that's going to have Griffey in it. And of course, people are looking for the Luis Roberts stuff. They're looking for, of course, the autos that come in here. And that's one of the cool things is there is an auto guaranteed in each box. 32 cards total, 8 packs per box. Really excited to see how this goes. We are going to open it up now. Very similar box to the Bowman Sapphire. This is what I expect all the Sapphire stuff to look like in this box. So, in this style of box. Let's see how this goes. All right, here's the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 packs. And let's get to cracking, shall we? All right, pack number 1. Look how nice that looks. Yeah, really nice cards. Dustin Garneau. Jump on 6, the Nationals. David Price on the Dodgers. And then Robinson Cano on the Mets. Look how that ball shines like that. Pretty nice for a Mets card. Really good if your team is in blue. These blue will look really nice if you're doing a personal collection. We got Yoshi for the Mariners. Wade LeBlanc. Pete Alonso, All-Star Game. Jared Walsh. Garcia on the Rangers. Jose Peraza of the Red Sox. Cano of the All-Star Game. Billy Hamilton. We have yet to receive a rookie card so far. That's interesting. We got Max at the back. Blandino of the Reds. Nick Solak of the Rangers, our first rookie. Richie Martin of the Orioles. Got Miggy, All-Star Game. We have a green. Okay, so we have Kyle Gibson. Back to Miggy. Christian Arroyo. Then our green, Miles Straw of the Astros. And this is out of 45. It's our first color. Daniel Hudson. Ooh, nice. Mike Trout, active leader. Philip Dial of the Rockies. Cuthbert of the White Sox. Jerry Rodriguez. Trace Thompson, Klay Thompson's brother. Cameron Maben of Detroit. Sky Bolt of my A's. So it's my first A's PC hit, so that's nice. Sky Bolt. All right, last pack with the auto. Let's hope it's something good. It's on the back. Frankie Lindor. Tyler Wade. Zach Greinke. And then our auto. Ooh, it's a rookie, a St. Louis rookie. Kwon-Young Kim. Nice. It's a base auto. But it looks really nice, especially with that blue pen. Not bad. All right, so here are our hits from this one. Not a bad box, not the best box, but it still looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. But you know what? I feel like that didn't do enough for me. I kind of want to do more. So let's keep those guys up here. And guess what we have, guys? Surprise box. Damn! Surprise box has entered the chat. And now we have another box. So we're going to open up this guy, and we're going to see how this box compares to that last box. So I'm not going to bore you guys with exactly everything that I said the first time. But here we go. So if I'm correct, this should be the auto pack. So let's scoot those guys there. The probable auto pack there. Auto pack. Steven Souza Jr. Anthony Alford. Nice. Bo Bichette. Feel kind of happy now that we opened up this pack, this box. Bo Bichette, rookie debut card. Nice. And we got a Pettit for my A's. This box is already paying off for me, just being nice. Kyle Farmer. Brett Anderson. Ichiro, that's a nice one. That's a nice one, especially if you're an Ichiro collector. That's nice. And our last card here, Felix Pena. Greg Allen. Jordan Lyles. Gleyber Torres. Drew Smiley. Can't tell if that's a green. I can't tell. Wilmer Flores. Richard Bleeber, Orioles. Ty. Oh, it's sideways. Garrett Richards. Here we go. Mike Trout again. It's a nice one. Mike Trout. Logan Forsythe. CJ Cron. Robinson Chirinos. It's a purple. Purple is... Purple's out... Whoa, purple's out of 10? Wow. Okay, that's kind of cool. Brian Johnson. We'll save the purple. Oh, that's our auto. We've got Max Scherzer. Francisco Cervelli. Javi Baez. Giancarlo Stanton. We'll start with our auto. We'll do the 10. Which one should we do? Should we do the auto first? Or the purple? Ooh, purple first. I almost saw what it was, but luckily I didn't. Let's do the purple first. Let's do the auto first. Aaron Bummer. Jacob deGrom. Joe Kelly. And our auto, it's an Astro. Abraham Toro of the Astros. Not bad. I always feel like I get the Astros on these kind of big breaks here. And then, let's see here. We got Brian Johnson. Justin Verlander. Alex Avila. And then the purple, Time to Party, Bogarts and Devers. This is 4 out of 10. Not a bad card to have. Be nice if it was like an individual player, but a team card's pretty nice to have too. So that's pretty nice. Pretty nice. All right, so let's go through knocking out the hits. So we got 2 Trouts. We got a Glaber, Ichiro, and Bichette. Then our 2 autos. And our Trouts. Overall, not a bad break. Kind of happy that we broke into that second box. Because I hope that these things will turn around. Again, thank you again for tuning in. And we will catch you guys later. Bye.
Yeah, I got the power. I got the power. I got unlimited power.